Start with the name of Allah Almighty. Welcome back, dear students. I am Ansar Abbas from the platform of HSA Jampur. Students, I hope all of you people will be fine. Today I am here for the discussion of your paper. Basically, I am talking about your second phase of testing series. Circle the right synonyms. Dear students, three main parts of your MCQs paper. The one part is synonyms, and the second part is circle the right option, and the third part is circle the correct form of verb and fill up the bubbles. Okay. Norma made a scuffing sound. Scuffing mean joking. D option is the right option. Mr. Steward's tone had been offensive. Offensive, displeasing. D option is the right option. The long boughs of pine were fondling. Fondling mean crazing. B option is the right option. I could not protest to him. Protest, resist. C option is the right option. He answered me coldly. Coldly mean roughly. Okay. C option is the right option. Dorke mused the captain. Mused. Thought. D option is the right option. People converged on the mall. Converged. Assemble. B option is the right option. I suggest you do a bit cooperating. I suggest. Propose. C option is the right option. Snorting noisily, she paused. Snorting. Whistling. C option is the right option. That valley is feral. When Florence's burn. Florence's volcanoes. Okay, volcanoes. D option is the right option. The second portion of your MCQs paper, circle the right option. To what place did Norma want to have trip? Right option is D, Europe. How many children did Jess's father have? 5. C option is the right option. In which season did Mr. Waring stand very golden-eyed? C option is the right option. Autumn. What was being played in a restaurant? Okay. C option. Orchestra. Overcoat has been written by Ghulam Abbas. C option is the right option. Circle the correct form of verb and fill up the bubbles. I dash her last evening. I saw her last evening. B option is the right option. It dash before I came out. It had rained before I came out. B option is the right option. If he dash, I would have helped him. Okay. D option. Had come. 2 and 2 dash 4. 2 and 2 make 4. A option is the right option. The coach made him dash in the ground to stand. The coach made him to stand in the ground. Okay. Next portion, subjective portion. Give the short answer. What is the significance of Arthur's life insurance policy? Dear students, this is very important question according to the paper point of view. Second question, why did the old man take the steep path? This is also very important question according to your annual paper. Why had just father built so many paths going up the hill? Okay. Question number 4. What was the advice Harry gave to the people? This is also important question. Why did the Harry want to go back to the earth? This is important questions. How did the young man look like overcoat? Question number 7. Why could not the girl describe the killer? This is also the important question according to paper point of view. So keep in mind. Question number 8. What happens when the sun shines bright? Okay, write a brief note on the night mail. Okay, question number 10. What is the theme of the poem? Where are you going? Dear students, all these topics, all these questions, you should write um, answer according to your book and according to your thought. Okay, question number 5. Write a story with the moral. Look before you leap. Question number 6. Write a letter to your friend inviting him to attend sister's marriage ceremony. Or write an application to the principal for urgent piece of work. आपने लेटर लिखना है या एप्लीकेशन, इन दोनों में से आप डिपेंड ऑन यू, जो भी आपको पॉसिबल लगे, जो भी आपको सूटेबल लगे वो आप लिख सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. एक्सप्लेन द फॉलोइंग लाइंस विद रेफरेंस टू द कॉन्टेक्स्ट. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. यूज़ द फॉलोइंग पेयर ऑफ वर्ड्स इन सेंटेंस ऑफ योर ओन. अपने सेंटेंस के मुताबिक आपने इन पेयर ऑफ वर्ड्स को इलेबोरेट करना है. Question number 9. Translate into Urdu. Okay, this is the second part of your paper, subjective part. Inshallah, we will meet the next paper. Thank you so much.